Did you know? Mars is home to the largest volcano in our solar system, Olympus Mons. It's an incredible 13.6 miles, 22 kilometers high, almost 3 times the height of Mount Everest. Can you imagine standing at the base of something that enormous? But here's a question for you. How big do you think Olympus Mons is compared to where you live? Well, it's roughly the size of the entire state of Arizona. That's like one massive volcano taking up an entire state. Would you take a hike up Olympus Mons if you could? Let me know in the comments. And if you're loving these space facts, hit subscribe and come back tomorrow for more cosmic wonders.